Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 6, Lesson 45. Some subjects don't fit the simple singular or plural mold. Today we handle special subjects, collective nouns, tricky S-words, amounts, and titles. Some subjects need special handling. First, collective nouns, words like team, family, jury, or herd, that name a group. The trick: a collective noun is singular when the group acts as one unit, and plural when its members act individually. The team wins the game. They win together as one, so singular wins. But the team argue about strategy. Here, the members are doing different things, disagreeing, so it's plural, argue. Same word, two numbers, depending on whether the group acts as one or as many. Next, nouns that end in S but don't follow the usual rule. Some are always singular, even though they end in S, like mathematics, measles, and news. So we say, mathematics is hard, with is. Others are always plural, like scissors, pants, and binoculars, things that come in pairs. So we say, the scissors are sharp, with R. The S ending can fool you, so memorize which group each word belongs to. Now amounts of money, time, or measurement. A noun of amount is singular when it names one total quantity, but plural when it names separate units. 2 weeks is not enough time. Here, 2 weeks is one single period, so is. But $5 are scattered on the floor. Now we mean separate bills, individual units, so are. One more. A title is always singular, even if it sounds plural. Great Expectations is a novel. One book, one title, so is. Total amount, singular. Separate units, plural. Title, always singular. Let's gather it all up. With a collective noun, ask whether the group acts as one unit, that's singular, or as individuals, that's plural. With an S noun, learn each one. Mathematics takes is. Scissors takes are. With an amount, decide if it's one total, singular, or separate units, plural. And a title is always singular. In every case, the real question is the same. Is this subject one thing or many? Answer that, then match the verb. Let's practice. For each special subject, decide whether it's singular or plural in this sentence. Then choose the verb. Pause and try each. The audience blank to applaud the soloist. The audience acts as one unit here, so it's singular. Rises, so rises. $22 blank too much to pay for a scarf. That's one single price, one amount, so is. So is. The scissors blank sharpening. Scissors always takes a plural verb, so need. So need. A few more. Ask the key question. One thing or many, then match the verb. Pause and try each. 2 years before the mast, blank, a fine novel. It's a title, always singular, so is. So is. The orchestra blank, wonderful tonight. The orchestra acts as one unit, so singular, sounds. So sounds. Her eyeglasses blank, broken. Eyeglasses always takes a plural verb, so are. So are. Let's wrap up. Special subjects need a moment's thought. A collective noun is singular when the group acts as one, plural when the members act separately. Some S nouns are singular, like mathematics, and some are plural, like scissors. A noun of amount is singular when it's one total quantity, plural when it's separate units, and a title is always singular. The guiding question is always the same. Is the subject one thing or many? Great work! In Lesson 46, we'll handle indefinite pronouns as subjects.